Welcome to our channel. Activating contactless tap on your phone makes payments faster and more convenient. Let's go through the steps to set it up. Step 1. Open your phone settings and navigate to the Payment or Wallet section. On iPhone, look for Wallet and Apple Pay. On Android, find Google Pay or Samsung Pay. Step 2. Add your credit or debit card by tapping Add Card or a similar option. You can either scan your card with your camera or enter the details manually. Step 3. Enter your card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Make sure all details are accurate. Step 4. Verify your card through the method provided by your bank. This may involve receiving a text message with a verification code or calling your bank's customer service. Step 5. Set up authentication for payments. Choose whether to use Face ID, fingerprint, or a PIN to authorize transactions for added security. Step 6. Enable NFC, near-field communication on your phone if it's not already turned on. This feature is essential for contactless payments to work. Step 7. Test your contactless payment by tapping your phone at a payment terminal that supports contactless transactions. Hold your phone near the reader until you see a confirmation. Step 8. Check that the payment was successful on your phone and with the merchant. Your phone should display a confirmation message or receipt. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.